Raspberry Pi, VNC and SSH by Biolal. Today I'm going to show you how to use Raspberry Pi board without using an HDMI monitor. Generally, this is called as SSH to access Raspberry Pi without using HDMI slot to see the desktop of Raspberry Pi. The need list. First, Raspberry Pi. I use Raspberry Pi 2 Model B version 1.1 board for this instruct table. Check my other instruct tables to learn how to use Raspberry Pi. Second, Ethernet cable. If your Ethernet port is broken, you may use USB Ethernet converter dongle to do. And your computer, I used Windows 7. 3. Wireless modem to provide your computer and internet access. You need to know your modem username and password. You need it on next. 4. USB Wi-Fi antenna dongle. I told how to connect wireless USB antenna to your Raspberry Pi 2 board to give an internet access. How to give an internet access to Raspberry Pi 2 and Pi 0 that I explained before. Abbreviations: SSH, Secure Shell, VNC means Virtual Networking Computing. Step 1. Enable SSH from Raspberry Pi with Raspberry config. First of all, you downloaded Noobs, then move to microSD card Raspbian GC operating system, then you boot your Raspberry Pi with using HDMI monitor to progress, then you need to use your Raspberry Pi board to use without any displays. Using monitors may be not a good idea for you because you have your computer's display. Consequently, you want to see the desktop of Raspberry Pi on your computer's desktop. That's what I'm forcing myself to do this instruction here. With attaching HDMI monitor, open Raspberry Pi's terminal from desktop and type this code: sudo raspi config. Then choose advanced option SSH, enable SSH, return to the terminal and type sudo reboot. The last reboots your board. You can disconnect the monitor now and get near to your computer. Don't forget to configure your Raspberry Pi board's USB Wi-Fi antenna dongle. You need to finish this, then go on next step. Raspberry Pi board will save your Wi-Fi SSID, your modem's name, and password in its mind because you have already connected to internet before. You may read my all topics to learn how to connect to wireless modem with USB Wi-Fi antenna dongle for Raspberry Pi 2 board and Pi 0 board that I explained before how to do.